Alright, fine. Girls and boys, ladies and gentlemen, a very special good evening to one and all. Myself Shabnam as usual from the code Ark, aiming to deliver the modern day technologies to the people out there. Okay, would be glad for your acknowledgement of our visibility, audibility, all clear. I mean set to go ahead, right? Aiming to deliver the modern. Alright, visibility, audibility all set to go ahead, correct? Okay, shall be waiting for your response in the chat section. By the time, I have a quick recap of what we have learned yesterday. We were talking of about more than 3 to 4 bootstrap components yesterday, or let me say the classes yesterday. Some of them were tooltip and some of them were popover, model, more importantly. Clear. Okay, thank you. Is it right? Model that appears on the top of the page, thereby disabling the previous, that means let me say the body of the page. Is that okay? Model comes with its own header or whole own body, own footer. You can also provide a close button to the model by providing data dismiss option. Is that correct? Data dismiss option. Friends, I hope you all are practicing back at home, because one thing is very clear from our conversation to you up until now, that only attending classes is not enough to become a full stack developer. Hands-on practice is equally important. Okay, your hands-on practice, that is equally important. So please keep on designing as many pages as you can, try to give as many effects, try to come with your own level of creativity. Okay, fine. Alright, I'm going to continue today in the same program which I coded yesterday. This one. Okay, in the same program I'm going to set up some effects. So this was something, a kind of collapse, a link, collapsible element that it showed. And this is a button. If I click on this button, it shows an image which is a collapsible element. If I click, it hides that image. Okay, so if I click on the model, it displays the model. As I told you in the recap, model comes with header, footer and the body. This is how the different sections are illustrated. This cross or the close button never comes by default with the model. We have to code for that. Ampersand times, am I right? Ampersand times semicolon was that token which we used. Yeah, good evening everyone. Okay, fine. Tooltip is something you keep on it and it shows you this kind of information. Data placement is a property that tells you on the web page, or who tells the browser where that tooltip should be displayed. Towards right, data placement right. If you want on the top, so data placement top. Correct? And this is a popover. Unless you click to this, it doesn't show you the message. Correct? Fine. So if I click to the popover again, it disappears. I click on the popover, it again appears. Disappear, appear, disappear and appear. Yes, good. Fine. So this was something that we have learned yesterday, and if I could quickly show you, okay, this was our program. I think we coded on, no, not this one. I actually missed out on the name, I think so.